Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share 9 mobile photo hacks in this short and sweet video. Some of these tips I've shared before, but I thought I'd gather them all in one video, so if you're a little bit impatient, this one is for you. Hack number 1 is to make a no tripod banana. No tripod banana? No. To make a no tripod with a banana. No tripod banana. No. Goddamn. The first idea is to make a banana tripod, so essentially getting crafty with a banana and maybe a plastic box so that it has something to support on, and then you can take photos without having a fancy tripod. The second hack is to tape your phone to a wall, so if you want to take a photo from a little bit of a higher angle, you can just use masking tape and tape it to a wall or a pole and then use self-timer to take a photo. If you want to become a photography ninja, you can also tape your phone to the ceiling with some masking tape and use the self-timer to take a photo from above. The fourth one is a hack to take a photo of your hands without any equipment or gear. So essentially you will use the self-timer again and pop the phone in your mouth and take a photo like this. Now, do be mindful about current circumstances. I would definitely recommend to maybe put some plastic foil that is clean or wipe your phone definitely before putting it in your mouth, and also be super careful to not break your screen. I have another video that I shared this hack in, and I got lots of comments saying people crack their screen, which is not the point at all. And also, do be mindful about hygiene. This is a little hack that maybe some of you don't know. You can trigger your phone with the volume button of your headphones. I had a little trick that can come in use sometimes. The camera on the front side of your phone is generally better, so I'd recommend using that. But that can pose a problem when you want to take a self-portrait because you can't actually see how you're placing yourself in the frame. So to solve this, you can put a mirror behind your phone and the screen so you'll see if you're in the frame and how to place yourself. Okay, the next one is not really a hack so much as an encouragement to wipe your lens before taking the photo. It can get really smudgy when you have it in your pocket and you maybe accidentally put your finger on the lens. So do make sure that your photo doesn't turn out blurry and wipe it before to make sure that it's as sharp and crisp as can be. And another tip to get yourself sharp when you're working on the self-timer is to place an object and focus on that, and then you'll run and take the object's place to make sure that you're sharp in the photo. And the last hack is to get your lines straight. So for example, you can go into Lightroom and click on the camera and then click on this little grid. So that will just help you make sure that your lines are straight and the horizon is straight, because one thing that will immediately reveal that you're not a pro and that you didn't look at your photo close enough is if their lines are all wonky and the horizon is all tilted. Been there, done that, so make sure that you don't do the mistake. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like more photo tips, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of photo tips and mobile photography tips. And also, if you'd like to see some of my photos, come and say hi. I'm over at Kika on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!